Hi everybody, I just wanted to pop in here for a minute and go over with you lesson 7, part number 2, specifications, just what you should do in SAM to complete this part of the lesson. Okay, so when you come to part 2 in lesson 7 on specifications, this is what you'll see. You'll see a little introduction about what specifications are. And then you'll see ILM 150104I fasteners and locking devices. We have a bit of a description, and then there's a video review for you to watch about the ILM booklet. So you're going to go through and review this booklet. After that, follow the link for interpreting thread notes. So we'll bring you to this online exercise. There's a little quiz at the end of it, but it doesn't record your marks. Once you've completed that, go to Thread Specifications, Whisk Online. And it's going to ask you some questions about different threads. And once you finish that, there's a little exercise here I'd like you to download, McMaster-Carr Fastener Exercise. So McMaster-Carr, you would go to this website, McMaster-Carr.com. No hyphen in between it. Or actually, I'm sorry, no, it's just McMaster, McMaster.com. Okay, so go to McMaster.com, and your exercise that you downloaded, it's going to say there's 5 part numbers here, so it wants you to find the part number for these. So let's do the first one together. We want a 1032 UNF by 1 panhead Phillips screw 316 stainless steel. So let's look at the McMaster-Carr website. And we want to go under fastener and joining, and we're going to go under screws. Okay, so let's look at our designation that we had. We had a panhead Phillips screw, stainless steel. So we want to look for our machine screws. Okay, so we know we had a panhead screw. So we'll start with rounded head screws. Let's start looking there. Hex drive Phillips slotted. So if we look at our call out, we had a panhead Phillips. So Phillips. Now it wants to know about material. So what material was our call out? 316 stainless steel. So 818. So there's one here, metric 316 stainless steel or 316 stainless steel. We know our call out was for 1032, which is imperial. So we would come here. So now we can start scrolling through this list looking for our thread sizes, or we can just come over here on the left. So we know, let's take a look at our call out again. We have a 1032. So let's go to 1032. Our material is stainless. Our length call out was 1 inch. So let's go to 1 inch. And then it wants to know head size. So we had a panhead screw. It's fully threaded. Let's see, a class fit. Did we have a class call out? No, we don't. So we don't have to change anything. Thread spacing. Oh, let's look at this though. This says UNF. Okay, that's all right. That's what we had in our call out. Okay, so this says, let's take a look and see. This says our product number is 91735A833. So let's check our answers from SAM. N1735A833. N1735A833. So that is the part we wanted. So I just want to take a second though and show you something really neat about the McMaster-Carr website, and later on once we start using CAD, you'll find it very helpful. So not all their products, but some of them Once you find a part number you want, you can click Product Detail, and it'll have that little symbol beside it for CAD. So if you click Product Detail, it's going to give us all our specifications about that product. But if we scroll down further, we can get 2D drawings of the part, or we can get 3D models that we can insert into our own drawings. So McMaster-Carr is really good for that. Okay, so that is how you would go through and complete part 2 of lesson number 7, specifications.